Hey, Jumbo Wilson, we're now just entering the little Ituri forest.
I'm Jumbo, Simba One. Keep your eyes open and drive carefully. You should see lots of animals.
I wonder if anybody saw the okapi on the right-hand side. Anybody? No. He's right back there in the corner, along the bamboo. No? He's got white stripes on his legs. It's the only known relative of a giraffe. It is common to see him back in the corner because he's a very solitary, shy animal. Very difficult to see in the wild. Yellow-billed storks at the top of the hill on the left. They are carnivorous. Keep your fingers in. Coming up on a watering hole, great place to look for animals in the forest, especially some of the more endangered species are trying to. And behind her is a calf, if anybody can see the calf up there. Little ears. Stick up. Oh, there's that blood. On the right-hand side, there's a bongo at the top of the hill. There's saddle-billed stork up in the nest on the right. Saddle-billed stork's the tallest stork in Africa, able to stand 5 feet tall. So you imagine how big that nest is. Here's some more bongos, the orange antelope I was telling you about. Nickname that goes to the forest for how well they blend in. There's some more kudu, greater kudu in the back there.
Thanks, Bobby.
Larger and more aggressive than American alligators. They grow 20 feet long. It's the same as the height of a giraffe. If you see them with their mouths open, it's because they're cold-blooded. They're trying to regulate the body temperature. I do need everyone to stay seated, please. On tree, because it looks like the roots are sticking out the top. This tree goes without leaves 9 months out of the year in order to conserve water. So it looks like that must have taken. Now check out this view. We're now inside the savanna, part of the Serengeti grassland system. Stretches hundreds of miles across eastern Africa. It's a superhighway for millions of migratory animals and home for some of our favorites like lions and elephants. Here on the right, it's only fitting that the first animal we see in the reserve is the official animal of the Harambe Wildlife Reserve, the sable antelope. Those are mostly females and calves. I don't see the male, it would be all black. Their horns will grow about 60 inches long and their coat will darken with age. Gray antelope throughout here. These are white-bearded wildebeest. They have the largest migratory herd of any animal in Africa, of 1.5 million.
Dat is eigenlijk ganz snel.
Here on the left-hand side, Patterson Eland. Eland are the largest and shoulder and weighs 2 and look out through the tall grasses for predators like large cats. Straight ahead, a big reticulated giraffe. They're born at 6 feet tall. They'll eventually reach a height of almost 20 feet if they're male, with the help of eating 20 hours a day. Horns go 6 feet long. And on the left, known for their great leaping ability, they can cover a distance of 30 feet. Just a little one there, maybe just a...
Das ist ein Antilop.